In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage spam settings in Google Workspace. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console with an administrator account. You'll land on the Home dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Apps. This is where you control the services available to your users and fine-tune how they behave. Inside Apps, select Google Workspace. This opens a list of core services. Choose Gmail. You're now in the central place for organization-wide email controls, including security and spam protection. On the Gmail settings page, scroll until you see the section labeled Spam, Phishing, and Malware. Open that section to view the available protections. To set custom spam rules, find Spam Content and click Configure. This opens a new configuration panel where you can define exactly how Gmail should treat suspicious messages. In this configuration, review the options and check the settings that match your organization's risk tolerance. For example, you might choose stronger filtering to reduce junk mail, or keep things more moderate if you're concerned about false positives. Pick the choices that balance keeping inboxes clean with ensuring important mail isn't missed. If you're unsure, start conservatively and tighten over time as you monitor results. Add a short description for this rule so it's easy to recognize later in your settings summary. Use a clear label, like the team or purpose this rule supports, so anyone reviewing the admin console understands what it does at a glance. Continue reviewing the additional toggles and checkboxes in this panel. Enable the ones that support your security posture and uncheck those you don't need. Remember, each option fine-tunes how Gmail identifies and handles likely spam, so be intentional and document why you chose a particular setting. If you maintain trusted senders, click Create or use Existing List. Here you can reference an allo list of domains or addresses you trust, which helps prevent legitimate messages from being flagged. Use allow lists sparingly and only for verified, business-critical senders. Overly broad lists can weaken your protection. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new configuration will appear in the summary with the description you provided. Changes typically apply to the organizational unit you're viewing and may take a little time to propagate across all users. After saving, keep an eye on help desk tickets or mail flow reports to confirm the balance is right. If you notice too much spam getting through or too many legitimate messages being flagged, return to the same place and adjust the settings as needed. That's it. You've successfully managed spam settings in Google Workspace.